What's up guys, my name's Tom, welcome to my channel. I do LeetCode and web development stuff, and today we are going to be doing remove duplicates from sorted array. So strap in your seatbelts, get ready to go, because we are going to destroy this problem. Alright, let's get started. Given a sorted array nums, remove the duplicates in place such that each element appear only once and return the new length. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O of 1 extra memory. So, given nums 1, 1, 2, your function should return 2, and the first two elements should be 1 and 2 in the array. Okay, got it. And then given nums 0, 0, whatever, your function should return length 5, with the first 5 elements of nums being modified to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so basically we're not actually like removing the values from the array. We're going to be just putting them at the beginning. So it would be, the answer to this, yeah, would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in those positions. Alright, and then there's a clarification here, and it's basically talking about explaining the reason why we return the length of the array. And the reason is the nums array is passing by reference, and it uses the length to check like the first 5 numbers of the array or whatever. Okay, so how are we going to solve this problem? Well, I made a little diagram explaining how we can do this. So basically what we can do here is we can have a pointer here that keeps track of like our value found, and then this one here, this pointer here is going to look for a number that does not equal this, because we want to put basically put the non-duplicates at the beginning of the array. So what I mean, I'll show you. I kind of explained that bad, but you'll see what I mean in a second. So we want, okay, so at the beginning of this array we want 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we need to do is that we have this anchor pointer here. So this points at the first, it starts by pointing at the first element in the array, which is 0. So, and we want 1 here, right? So what we want to do is we want to keep iterating this pointer here until we find a value that does not equal 0. So we found 1. So what we can do now that we found 1 is move this pointer forward, and then we set this spot here to this pointer here. So this will be 1. And now we want to look for values that don't equal 1. So boom, boom, boom. Okay, we found 2. So we move this pointer down, boom. Then we set this spot equal to 2. Alright, 2. Okay. And now we want to look for values that don't equal this pointer. So we go, boom, equals 2, boom, doesn't equal 2. Move this pointer down, boom. Then we set this spot equal to 3. There you go, 3. Then we want to look for values that don't equal 3. This equals 3, this equals 3. Oh, doesn't equal 3. Move this pointer down, boom. Set this pointer equal to this one. So it's 4. And then keep going. And so now we have this pointer here, right? And so this pointer is going to be this pointer is going to be the index that we're currently at. So the index we're currently at is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's actually 5 values that in this array that we want, or yeah, basically in this array. So what we want to do is return this pointer, which would be 4 plus 1, because that's how many values are in this little subarray that has our non-duplicate numbers sorted forward. All right, so we get the idea. We got the pseudocode. So let's actually write out the code. So first, we need to check for our edge case here where the length of the array would be 0. So I'm going to say if not num's length, return 0, because that means there's just no values in the array, so there's not even any duplicates to remove. And the reason I'm just saying not num's length is because num's length would equal 0 in if num's length equals 0, 0 is falsy, and by doing not, it will turn it into true, right? So okay, now we're going to initialize our anchor node, right? The one that keeps track of the last number we found. So that way we can check to see when we don't have a duplicate. And so now we are going to start our for loop, let j equals 1, and this is going to be our second pointer, right? J equals 1, while j is less than nums dot length j plus eps plus plus. So now we want to check here if our second pointer does not equal the value at our first pointer. So if nums I does not equal nums j. So this means that we found a number that's different than the one our pointer is on. Obviously, I don't even know why I'm saying that, but so now we want to move our anchor forward, right? Like we did before when we found a number. And then we want to set the new number we found, nums I equals nums j, as our new anchor element that we can compare and try and find duplicates or non-duplicates from. And then after all this, we just want to return I plus 1, because remember, we're starting from 0. So if we have 5 elements in the array, or 5 elements that 5 non-duplicate elements, and say so the pointer would be at index 4, but there's actually 5 elements. All right, so let's run the code and submit it. Oh, whoops, forgot an S down here. Let's rerun. There we go. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and like if you want to see more, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's anything I can improve on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.